Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use forms view in money.com. So open the board in which you want to add form view. Like in my case, I am going to open this practice board. Just for example, you can open any board you like, and then click on these three dots on the top right corner that says options. Then go to board power ups and then select board views. Here you get a lot of options. Scroll down and search for form and press open in board. It will create a new item called form inboard. Here what you can do is you can create forms. Basically it is powered by WorkForms and it allows you to create forms. For example, if you want to add a form to your board, so whenever someone comes to your board they have to fill up a form, like if you're managing your leads or whatever, so you can add a form for your leads or for your clients or whatever. Like you can add name, status, date, and then you can your leads can submit the form after entering their information. So this way you can gather information from whatever person you like. Now we can edit this form and we can make changes, like we can ask them to enter their email or their phone number or whatever. We can literally ask any questions. As you can see, it has provided us a lot of options to customize this board or this form. You can upload your logo if you want to make it look professional, and then you can write questions like name. Let me change it to email. I want people to add their email here, and I mark it as required, so people, it is mandatory for people to fill this. So yeah, and then I can add status, I can add date, I can add literally anything by pressing this add button. I can add number, people, phone, email, signature, link, rating, date, country, location, everything. And then you can add pictures, you can add text, and you can add form text direction, and you can also automate this form. So for example, when someone fills the form, it will automatically send you a Slack notification or automatically send you an email, so you can automate it too. So in this way you can use form view in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.